Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study the second part of this chapter 9, that is has and have. So in this chapter we have already discussed that how we'll use the has and have in a proper sentence. So likewise we have done this exercise and we have understood that how we'll be using have and has, like Rahul has many blocks and the basket has apples. And for have, Reema and Shreya have many friends and I have a pencil. So like this we have understood this and we have done the exercise also. Now we will do the another exercise. So let's begin with it. Look at this picture to know what these children have. Answer the questions in complete sentences. So students, here we can see a picture. Look at very careful because we will be answer these questions according to the picture. So the first question is, who has a blue cap? So now let's see. Who has a blue cap? Yes students, Tanu has a blue cap. So that is written here. Tanu has a blue cap. So now there is another question. How many children have an umbrella? So student, let's see. Tanu and Gaurav have an umbrella. So we have to write it down here. Tanu and Gaurav have an umbrella. Okay students, so this is how we have to write it down. Then who has a dog? So let's see. Yes students, Manu has a dog. So we'll be writing here. Manu has a dog. Okay students? So now, then the next question is, who are the ones who have caps? So students, let's see who are the ones. Yes students, Monu, Gaurav, Tanu, Sia, all of them have the caps. So we will be writing here. Sia, Monu, Gaurav, and Tanu have caps. Okay students, so the next one is, who has a raincoat? So let's see who has a raincoat. Yes students, we can see here Manu has a raincoat. So we'll be writing here Manu has a raincoat. Raincoat. Okay students, so this is how we have to do the exercise. So let's see another one. Complete this passage using has or have. So we have to use the has or have words to complete this passage. So let's start. Mr. Patel dash a large family. So what Mr. Patel has? Mr. Patel has a large family. So we'll be writing here has. Okay students. So then, he lived with his parents, wives and children. He dash a house in Delhi. What does he have? He has a house. So he has a house in Delhi. Mr. and Mrs. Patel dash two children. So what they have? They have two children. So we'll be writing here have. Okay. And then they dash a pet. So what they have? They have a pet. So we'll be writing here have. Okay, students? Which they love very much. Then they dash a lovely time talking to it. So they have a lovely time talking to it. The grandparents also dash a great time with the childrens. So the great parent also have a great time with the childrens. Okay, students? So this is how we have to fill these exercises in your book. So now let's begin with the another one. So read these riddles and match them with the answers. Color the pictures. So students, we can see here some of the pictures. Okay, and they are the riddles and we have to solve this. So the first one is, I have a face, I have two hands, and I don't have the arm or legs. So students, let's see what it is. Yes, students, it is a clock. So it is a clock. Clock has the two hands and it doesn't have the arm or the legs, and it also have the face also. So second one is, it has 4 legs but it cannot walk. So what is it? Yes, students, it is a chair. We can see here like this. Okay, students. Then we do not have wings, but we fly. We do not have eyes, but we cry. So what it is? Yes, students, they are the clouds. So this is how we have to match. Then we have long necks. We eat green leaves and walk on 4 legs. Yes, students, they are giraffe. So we can see here. Okay. Then we are like soft furry balls. We have short tails. We love to eat carrots. So we are yes, students, they are rabbits.